So, hello students. So today we will start the exercise 1.f, and in this exercise we will discuss about the rational number between two rational numbers. Okay. So here are the two methods in which by which you can easily find out the rational number between two rational numbers. Suppose that we have a rational number A. We have two rational number, one is A and another is B. What? We have the two rational number A and B. We have, and where A is smaller than B. Okay. Then how we can find the two rational number between these two rational numbers? Now see. The first method, it's your M1 and it's your M2. The first method is very applicable only on if we have to find only the one rational number between two rational number. Okay, मीन्स ये जो वाला जो मेथड है ये हम वहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे जहाँ पर केवल हमको क्या करना है, केवल एक ही rational number निकालना है. Then it will be much beneficial to all of us. Okay, now see here. Then we will do the sum of these two rational number and divide it by 2. That is means, so suppose that it is your a new rational number, that let us assume it's your k. Means this k according to this situation means if we have the two rational number A and B and where A is smaller than B, then if the sum of these rational number is divided by 2, then we will get the new rational number. That is, suppose it is your k, then this k is lie between what? It will be lie between A and B. Okay, means it stand for what? जो k है वो हमारा कहाँ होगा, इन दोनों के बीच में होगा कहीं ना कहीं. And now suppose that if so, it will be much beneficial to calculate the one rational number between any two rational number. Now see, let's take one example here. Okay, find the one rational number between 1/2 and 1/3. Okay, now how will we solve this question? Now see, we have two rational number equal to what? 1/2 and 1/3. Now one rational number between 1/2 and 1/3 equal to what? 1/2 and the sum of these two, 1/2 plus 1/3. Okay, now it will become what? 1/2 and it will become 6, 3 and 2. It will become 1/2 multiplied by 5/6. That is what? 5/12. Okay, 5/12. Okay, so this 5/12 will lie between these two rational numbers. So it is very important, or you can say the very easy method by which you can easily calculate the one rational number between any two given rational numbers. It's your method 1. But if you have to calculate more than one rational number between two rational numbers, then you have to apply the method 2. That is this one. Now method 2. Now see. So in first steps of the question, you will see that you have to find the rational number. If you have any condition, you have any given condition that you have to find the n rational number between any two given rational number. Suppose that you have to find the n rational number between A and B. Okay, how many rational number you have to find here? So I'm saying n rational number between A and B. Then in that case you have to do the multiply by n plus 1 in both numerator and as well as in denominator. Okay, how? Now see here. Find 6 rational number between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. Okay, now how will we solve it? How will we solve this question? Now we have two rational numbers equal to what? 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. Now how many rational number we have to find here? 6. So we will do the multiply by the 7 in both the numerator as well as the denominator. Okay. Now to find 6 rational number between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, we will we have to multiply. Okay, just ignore this thing. You can simply apply the method. Okay, how? As then 1 upon 2, do the multiply by 7 in both numerator as well as the denominator. So how will you write 6 rational number? Okay, here you will write only the 6 rational number between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 as. Okay, so now what will you do here? We have to do what? We will do the multiply by the 7 in both numerator as well as the denominator in both rational number. Okay, so here now what was the next rational number? It was 3, 7 and into 7. This implies we will get here the 7 by 14 and here the 7 by 21. Now now 6 rational number. Okay, how will we write the 6? 6 rational number between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 equal to what? Ignore the this 14. 7 by 15, 7 by 16, okay, 7 by 17 up to 7 by 20. Okay, so in this way you can easily calculate the more than one rational number. Okay, now so it's enough for today. Thank you, beta.